This is going to be a quick video just to tell you guys the prices of my fireworks. I get them from a native reserve in Chilliwack, BC. It's fairly cheap, but like not as cheap as you can get them in the States. My lighters. Gotta have a lot of them. So, well, these are just your regular M60s. They were $1 each, and then you can get a six pack of dragon eggs, which is 2 purple and 2 red and 2 green, I guess, for $2.99. They're really fun. And then Hummeroos, pack of 5 was $2.99. Tasmanian Devil, 6 pack is $3. A pack of 6 Crackle Jacks is $1.49. 12-pack Spinning Bullets is $1.49, same price as Crackle Jacks. Those are like, it's actually a pretty good price for them. And then pretty much any of your tube shot that you stick in the ground is a pack of 4 for $5 usually. You can get like Sunshot, Crimson Thunder, Air Bomb, and Cherry Bomb. And then a 3-pack of Dancing Butterflies. It's like a fountain that shoots like spinners up and sparks and stuff. Pack of 3 is $5. And a 25-shot missile battery pack, lots of noise, is $5. I guess it's alright. And then you can get just your regular 5-ball Roman candles for 99 cents each. And you got the 10-ball Roman candle for $1.50. Last but not least, you get your Mystical Skyrocket with Report. The 12-pack is $2.99. This is pretty good because they're a lot of fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. After Halloween, I'll have a bunch of videos of me and my friends lighting all of our fireworks, and my friend and another stash after, to show what my other friend brought, and what's going to be left in this shoebox that's pretty much full. So, yeah.